It was the morning of
Chau,
15th
it's
August,
Independence
and
Day.
Chau and Mau
Yes,
were
let's
excited to go
celebrate.
to school because of the Independence Day celebration in their school. They both wore their uniforms and left
I
for
look
school.
so festive. Me too. We look great.
As they
Wow,
reached
what
the
a
school,
beautiful
they were
entrance.
amazed to see
Yes,
all the
let's go
decoration
in.
that the teachers
Hi,
were
Mau.
doing
Hi,
for the
Chau.
school, all on the theme
Let's
of the Indian
decorate the
flag
wall.
color.
Here come
So they
the
both
flowers.
too joined in the decoration. Then the principal of the school welcomed everyone for this event, and also thanked Chau Mau for helping the teachers. Then Mau
Whoa,
saw
watch
the
this.
flag
It's how you
folded
show
and
respect.
kept next
Okay,
to the
Chau, I'm
flagpole,
practicing.
and she wanted to practice on how to salute and respect the flag. But suddenly
Whoa,
a strong
what's
wind
happening?
came,
The
and it
wind,
took the
it's
flag
so
forward with
strong.
it.
Look at the ribbons go.
Mau told Chau to follow the flag by
Go,
flying
Chau,
behind it,
chase the
and he
flag.
went behind the flag.
Keep going. Don't let it get away.
And then after some time,
Oh no,
the flag was
is
stuck on a tree
tangled.
next to the school. So now they had to come up with a plan to remove the
Okay,
flag.
everyone, gather around.
So
I have
Mau
a
got an
plan.
idea. She called her friends for help to remove the flag. So now the
Okay,
bunny
team,
climbed on the
let's
head
get
of the
the
bear
flag.
and removed the flag from the tree.
Great job,
and they all were
everyone.
happy.
Yay, teamwork.
Then the principal of the school hoisted the flag, and they all sang the national anthem while standing in front of the flag. Then the other children who had prepared some dance showed their performance. And then the principal awarded Chau and Mau
for your
an award
outstanding
for their
achievements.
bravery
Thank you,
rescuing
Principal
the flag.
Owl. Yay, Mau, you earned it.
Everyone
Mom's for
enjoyed the snacks
everyone.
and
Yay,
sweets
thank
provided
you,
by the
Mau.
school.
Let's share and celebrate. This is the best.
And then Chau and Mau gave their final salute to the flag and left for home.